Good. Great. Take a deep breath in. Good. Perfect. And again, breathing. Perfect. Good. And then temperature on the side, please, one baby. Good. And with that, please. Height. And back, please, baby. If you come towards me, please. Okay. Sore. Tight. Tender.
Yeah.
When was the last time you went to see your chiropractor? Right. Perfect. Good. Sore. Tender.
Better.
Better. Come on. And we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's one first time. Other side. Perfect. And the other side, for example. To keep your shoulder just nice and tight. Yeah. Can I just check your neck Ali one more time? It's really stiff. Okay. Push like this, like knees up, please Ali. Okay. This one's really stiff. This one, you know. Let this go again. I think this is very stiff. You've got to get that next week.
Thank you.
So, lots of I can see again, baby. And then if you don't mind, on your right side, please, madam. This
Awesome.
And one more. Man, the neck was tight.
Oh.
One more. Big noses.
So much better when I do you again.
Just go for it, man. Okay, buddy, just come back. Yes, no. Okay. You okay? You okay? And then go to the other side, please. Good man. Good man. Look at it. That's a miracle, huh?
It's much better already.
Okay. Okay, just this way. Okay.
Good man.
Okay.
Bless you.
Done. Good man.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect. Perfect.